dinner was always a big thing. We had a pasta course, and then we had a meat or a fish. Johnny Dio did the meat. We didn't have a broiler, so Johnny did everything in pans. It used to smell up the joint something awful, and the hacks used to die, but he still cooked a great steak.
Say that a lot of people out there, they have a misconception of grilled.
Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it. There's shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan fried, deep fried, stir fried. There's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp. That's about it.
This wasn't cheap, so you got to be a hard worker to get something like this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Let's see. Come on, ready. Tomorrow we exchange with you. We gotta go on a diet, buddy.
Don't just get kidding.
Believe me. Read them away. What are you doing?